Hello children. So as we know that we were dealing with the chapter that is synthetic fibers and plastics, isn't it? We were at the last topic of the chapter that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So among that we have learned with the uses and all, isn't it, about the synthetic fibers uses and all. So even we have to take care of the disadvantage method as well. So among disadvantage which we have is they have caused many health and environmental hazards. What happens, this the plastics which we use, they have caused many health and environmental hazards. So health andre enagirutte, so now when we dispose the plastic material, so what happens, the microorganisms sit, and when microorganisms sit and then when they infect us, it get simultaneously infect us, that means to our health, isn't it? So they have caused to our many healths. And environmental means where the thing is it doesn't get decomposed, isn't it? Adu decompose agala. When that doesn't decompose, what happens? Obviously it's a disadvantage hazard for us. Okay, so this is the first disadvantage we have written. And next, some monomers of plastics have been proved to cause cancer also. So what happens, some plastics which have proved to cause cancer also. So ಆದಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಡ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಶನ when we carry out, when it is so hot of food, when we carry out from outside, so what happens, it releases some chemicals. When it releases some chemicals, what happens, it leads to cancer. So that's the thing we have the disadvantage written. And next, benzene, a raw material of nylon, can also cause cancer. Okay, benzene is a chemical where a raw material of nylon can also cause the cancer. And next we have, they are biodegradable, and so it's decomposable is main problem. So what happens, they are biodegradable. Okay, so it's decomposable is the main problem we have. Okay, what happens, so as they are biodegradable, it's decomposable is the main problem which we have. Okay, so let us try to understand what is biodegradable substances and non-biodegradable substances. So among biodegradable substance are those that can be decomposed by microorganisms through natural process. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು biodegradable ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Biodegradable means are those that can be decomposed by microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms na adu decompose ಆಗುತ್ತೆ through natural process, that we call it as biodegradable. Okay, so for example you can take it as paper. Okay, paper is a biodegradable substance. And for non-biodegradable means those substances that can be decomposed by microorganisms in natural way. Okay, the non-biodegradable means those substances that can be decomposed by microorganisms in natural way. So for that, in some elladu agutte anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸು, some plastics, okay, it can take it as like that. So plastics are environmental friendly. Okay, plastics are not environmental friendly. There are therefore certain steps to be taken in order to protect our environment. What happens, certain steps has to be taken in order to protect our environment, isn't it? Plastic is not the environment friendly. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದು decompose ಆಗಲ್ಲ, isn't it? So the steps have to be taken for such like that. So the steps that has to be taken are like this. Make use of bags made up of cotton or jute when you go out for shopping. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಟನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಜೂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ degradable, so it's better to use the cotton and jute bags. And the next step is it is non-degradable, therefore it should be decomposed of separately. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ನಾವು, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ವೈಲ್ ಯು ಥ್ರೋ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್, it is compulsory that the garbage people say keep the wet waste separate and dry waste separate anta. Okay, in railway stations also you might have seen about these things. There will be two garbages. It is better to recycle plastic waste, isn't it? It is better to recycle the plastic waste. So as a citizen, remember 4 hours principle. So it is not 4 hours means 4 o'clock, 4 gante antala, 4 hours principle. So the 4 hours are like this. First, reduce using plastics. Then second one is recycle using. Then reuse the usage. Then recover. These are the symbols that are used. Okay, this is reduce symbol, this is reuse symbol, and this is recycle and recover. So these are the 4 R principles that we have to go through. Being a citizen, we have to take part in these things. I hope even you children will initiate your friends, neighbors and family in order to remember the 4 R principles. Adastu heli plastic use madad beda. Let us try to use the materials which is friendly to us anta. Okay, this will help our environmental as well. So among this, we have completed with the chapter that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So this is the table that you have to go through. Write this in your classwork book. Okay, write this table in your classwork book. So type of waste: peel off vegetables and fruits, leftover foodstuffs, etc. Say for example, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಪೀಲ್ಸ್ನ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ನ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಫುಡ್ನ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 to 2 weeks. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 1 to 2 weeks. ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, it what happens in 10 to 13 days again it is biodegradable. Then cotton cloth ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ, 2 to 5 months ಒಳಗೆ it what happens, it is biodegradable. ವುಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವುಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 10 ರಿಂದ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಯೋಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವೂಲನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ವೂಲನ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಯೋಡಿಗ್ರೇಡಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟಿನ್, aluminum and other metal cans. Okay, what happens, 10 to 15 years. Okay, 100 to 500 years. What happens, 100 to 500 years it is non-degradable. Tin, aluminum and other metal cans. So it is non-degradable even after about 100 to 500 years. Then plastic bags, several years, countless, it's like several years where even that is non-degradable. So children, this completes your chapter. I hope you got an idea. Okay, so you got an idea. Write this in your classwork book. So here I have taught with the, as a citizen, remember 4 R principles, isn't it? In our textbook we have 5 principles. So these 4 are the very important that we have to go through. As a responsible citizen, remember the 5 R principle. In textbook we have 5 R principle. So that is reduce, reuse, recycle, recover and refuse. So these are the 5 responsible for 5 R principle. But these 4 are first that we have to go through. Okay, when it's asked for examinations, if it is asked for 5 R principle, you can write it as 5 R's, or else if it is asked for 4 R, then you have to write at 4 R. Mostly it will be asked for 4 R principle itself. Okay, this completes your chapter. Thank you.